Welcome to Bulletproof Your Knees, a video from the Longevity series focused on achieving strength, stability, and pain-free movement for life. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Longevity series, Living a Long and Active Life.
Our roadmap to bulletproof knees covers 5 key areas: challenging the biggest myth about knees, understanding the real problem, exploring the knee stability system, differentiating between knee-friendly and knee-strong training, and considering the longevity angle. Let's start with the biggest myth: knees are fragile. This belief is costing many years of healthy movement. The truth is, your knees are highly adaptable joints. Conventional wisdom to baby them has made them more vulnerable. Given the right progressive loading, strength, and control, your knees become resilient. The problem is often not weakness, but improper training. Knees require 3 things: strength in the surrounding muscles, control for proper neuromuscular tracking, and proper loading to handle real-life demands. The knee doesn't need protection from movement. It needs preparation for movement. The real problem is that the knee is often the victim. Pain in the knee is rarely caused by the knee itself. It's a signal. The real culprits are hiding upstream and downstream in the kinetic chain. The 4 root causes of knee pain are weak quads, especially the VMO, underactive glutes leading to inward collapse, poor ankle mobility forcing the knee to compensate, and faulty movement patterns. The key insight is to follow the chain. Knee pain rarely starts at the knee. Issues like ankle restriction, weak glutes, or VMO weakness cascade into problems like abnormal tracking and medial collapse, leading to pain. Knee health requires a layered system: strength as the foundation, control as the architecture, and mobility as the freedom to move. 3 layers result in one bulletproof knee. Layer 1 is strength. We build the foundation with squat progressions. Properly loaded squatting strengthens the quads and glutes to handle compressive forces. Progress from chair squats to bodyweight squats, and eventually to loaded squats. Step-ups and split squats are your knee's best friends. Step-ups mimic real-world demands and maximize glute engagement. Split squats address strength imbalances and target VMO strengthening, essential for knee longevity. Layer 2 is control. Strength provides capacity, but control provides precision. Neuromuscular control coordinates muscle activation in real time, bridging the gap between gym strength and real-world safety. Single-leg balance is the foundation of joint intelligence. It activates the entire stabilizer chain simultaneously. Even 30 seconds per leg daily can produce measurable improvements in 4 to 6 weeks. Slow eccentrics are an underused tool for knee health. This phase, where muscle lengthens under load, is crucial for absorbing force. Use slow squat lowering, step-down drills, and eccentric calf raises to build resilience and strengthen the VMO. Knee tracking drills stop the collapse. Use banded squats to activate the glutes and correct inward collapse. Wall knee drives train dorsiflexion and proper tracking. Glute bridges with a squeeze activate key stabilizers for kneecap alignment. Layer 3 is mobility. This is the range of motion that allows your knee to function within a healthy pattern. 2 targets are non-negotiable for knee health: ankle dorsiflexion and hip rotation. Restricted ankle dorsiflexion, the ability of your shin to move forward, is a hidden knee killer. It forces the body to compensate, leading to abnormal loading. Address this with wall ankle stretches, calf foam rolling, and ankle-controlled articular rotations or CRs. Hip mobility is crucial. Free the hip, save the knee. Stiff hips force the knee to compensate. We focus on hip rotation, hip flexion with deep stretches, and glute activation before every training session. Putting the 3 layers together creates a bulletproof knee. Strength builds capacity, control provides precision, and mobility builds movement freedom. All 3 layers must be built in concert. There are 2 ways to train: knee-friendly, which keeps you comfortable, and knee-strong, which keeps you capable. Only one works long-term. The problem with avoidance is that when you stop loading a joint, surrounding muscles weaken and cartilage loses necessary mechanical stimulation. You are not protecting your knee by avoiding movement. You are slowly making it more vulnerable. The shift in mindset is from knee-friendly avoidance to knee-strong ownership. This means building capacity progressively so your knee can handle more load, leading to long-term strength and capability. Ownership means moving from merely tolerating stairs to mastering them with control, and shifting from simple walking to controlled descents and lunges. It means zoning the floor with single-leg sit-to-stand variation. Knee strength isn't just about the gym, it's about your life. The ultimate purpose of this training is the freedom to live fully, on your own terms, for as long as possible. Knee strength predicts 3 things for longevity: a 40% reduction in fall risk, up to 12 years longer independent mobility span, and twice the subjective quality of life scores. Every person is on one of 2 trajectories: the fragility spiral or the strength spiral. Choose the strength spiral. Every representative today buys you independence tomorrow. The core principle is simple: strength now equals freedom later. This freedom is seen in everyday activities, like effortlessly navigating stairs or hiking with grandchildren. Lower body strength is one of medicine's best biomarkers. Leg strength predicts all-cause mortality better than cholesterol. The chair stand test is a simple but powerful predictor, and strength training is the only proven way to reverse age-related muscle loss. Here is your bulletproof knee training blueprint. You need the right exercises, applied consistently, with progressive challenge. This framework hits all 3 layers of the knee stability system. This weekly framework includes bilateral strength on Monday, control and mobility on Wednesday, unilateral strength on Friday, and daily maintenance. Adapt this to your needs. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Now let's look at how to progress without getting hurt. First, start at your edge, not beyond it. The right starting point is the hardest exercise you can do, with perfect form and 0 compensation. Second, add reps before resistance. Ensure you can perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with flawless technique before increasing resistance by 5% to 10%. Third, distinguish discomfort from pain. Muscle burn is good. Sharp or joint pain is a signal to stop. Fourth, track your progress. Logging sets, reps, and knee feel prevents setbacks. The 5 common mistakes are only doing cardio, skipping mobility, ignoring one leg, moving too fast, and inconsistency. The long game is about freedom. The goal isn't a perfect squat. The goal is a life where your body never becomes the thing that limits your freedom. Every rep is a deposit into your future. Investing in your health span. Start now, stay consistent, and unlock your future. To recap, your knees adapt. Don't fear the load. Pain is often rooted in ankle or hip weakness. Focus on strength, control, and mobility. Building strength now means future independence. Invest in your knees deliberately. Your commitment starts here. This week, pick 2 exercises and do them 3 times with perfect form. This month, integrate the full 3-day framework. This year, bulletproof your knees and feel the ripple effect on your life.